guys, welcome back to SOYA and Shravia's Kitchenette. Today we will be preparing a very delicious dish, that is chili chicken, which is an Indo-Chinese dish. This can be made as a dry appetizer or gravy, and we can enjoy this with rice. So for that, first let's take 1 kg of boneless chicken. Into that we will be adding 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Corn flour adds texture as well as crispiness to our chicken. Next we will be adding 5 teaspoons of soya sauce and 3 teaspoons of chili sauce. And finally we'll add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and then we'll add salt as per taste. Now let's mix it well and keep the marinated chicken for about 15 to 20 minutes aside. Now let's move to our gravy ingredients. So these are our gravy ingredients. We have about 5 ingredients over here. Let's go one by one. First, we may require capsicum. Here I have taken 1 large capsicum which is finely chopped. Next we may require onions. Here I have taken 1 onion. Next we may require 2 to 3 chilies that are finely chopped. And then we may require 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And then we may require some ginger. And finally we may require corn flour water mixture that is made by adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour in a glass of water. Now our next step is to fry the chicken. So let's take a pan and add some oil into it, and let's put our marinated chicken piece one by one into the pan, and let's fry it well. Fry it until the chicken changes into light brown color. Make sure the chicken are crispy. Once ready, keep it aside to cool. And then we'll move to make our gravy. For that, let's take the same pan with oil and add our garlic and ginger into the pan. Along with that, we can add our chilies, and let's saute it until it changes to light brown color. Make sure in the whole process the pan is at high flame. Next we will be adding our onions that are finely chopped. Along with that, we will be adding our capsicum, and then we will be adding our finely chopped spring onions into the pan. Mix it well so that everything combines properly. Keep mixing it continuously for about 2 minutes. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce into the pan. Along with that, let's add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. You can even add more chili sauce according to the spiciness you require in your dish. Now let's add tomato ketchup into the pan. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and let's mix it well. Again, make sure you're cooking at high flame. Now let's add salt as per taste, and then let's mix it well again. Now let's take our fried chicken and add it to the gravy one by one. Now let's mix it well. Make sure that the chicken combines with the gravy well. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of pepper into the pan, and again let's mix it well. Cook it for about 5 minutes at high flame. Now, at this point, let's add 1 glass of water into the pan and allow it to boil for about 1 minute. Keep mixing continuously. Now, let's close the pan with a lid and leave it for about 8 minutes. At this point, we can add our corn flour water mixture into the pan and let's mix it well. Make sure everything combines properly. Keep cooking it at high flame until the water changes into nice saucy texture. So this was a way of preparing our chili chicken. I enjoyed making it. I hope even you enjoy making this too. So you can have this dish with plain rice or as starters. For those who prefer it dry, they can add more of corn flour and water mixture. So this is how we prepare a restaurant-style Chinese dish at your home. So if you like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye!